All right, friends, so you should be on page 190 in your math notebook following along with me. So, Clayton has 3 rows of cards. There are 5 cards in each row. How many cards does Clayton have? Well, remember yesterday when we talked about rows or something, or the sets? So, we have 1, 2, 3. And then it says there are 5 cards in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so now let's go ahead and make our repeated addition problem. So we have 5 here plus the 5 here plus the 5 here. Now we could add these up or we could count them all, but let's count by 5s because we are mathematicians and we know how to count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15. So how many cards does Clayton have? 15, right? All right, let's go ahead and go to page 191. So it says you can use addition to find the total amount when you have equal groups. Like I said, this is how you guys are going to start to learn eventually how to do multiplication in 3rd grade. But first we have to learn repeated addition. And repeated addition, remember, is when we have the same add-in over and over and over again. Remember, the add-in is the number you're adding together. So for example, in this array, we have 1, 2, 3 rows. So that's where we get the 3 4s, because each of these rows counts as 1. So then we have 4, 4, and 4. Now, eventually you'll be able to do this no problem without having to add, but 4s are kind of hard to count by. So I know my doubles factor for 4 is 8. So then I have to add one more 4. So let's see, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. All right, now let's go ahead and let's make an equation for this next one. So this next one, we have 1, 2, 3 rows. So that's 1, 2, and 3 rows. So remember, the amount of rows tells you how many times you're adding the number together. How many is in each row is what tells you how many you're going to add together. So let's just count one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these rows are the same. So that means there's 5 in each row. So we have 5 in row 1, 5 in row 2, and 5 in row 3. So we have 3 rows of 5 each. So again, we can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So 3 rows of 5, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. All right, let's look at another one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's see, how many do we have in each row? Because remember, it's the same in each row, so let's just count our first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 rows of 4 each, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So I know that 4 plus 4 is 8, and 4 plus 4 is 8. Then I just have to add 8 plus 8. Well, that's another one of my doubles facts.
Down the line.
So 8 plus 8 is another doubles fact. Well, that equals what? That's right, 16. So this is where knowing your doubles facts also comes in handy. All right, let's do another one. So first, let's look at our rows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, each row is going to be the same. So we have 1, 2, 3 in each row. We have 5 rows of 3. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So now let's go ahead and let's find the doubles. So we have 3 plus 3, that's 6. 3 plus 3, that's 6. And then we still have plus 3 right here. Well, I see another doubles. That's right, 6 plus 6 is 12 plus 3. So let's see. 13, 14, 15. So 5 rows of 3 is a total of 15. All right, go ahead and turn the page. You're going to try some on your own now. So I expect you to do your repeated addition. I expect you to do your repeated addition fact and tell me how many rows or how many in each row. Okay, once you're done on here, go ahead and enter it on your screen.